Do you want to know how you can log into your Overjet AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Overjet AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Overjet AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Overjet AI, which you can see over here. You can now write down your email address in this box over here, write your password in this box, and then click login. This way you can successfully log into your Overjet.ai account. In case you have forgotten your password, click this link and then write down your email address over here and then click send link. This way, a mail will be sent to you by Overjet.ai and then you can recover your password quite easily. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can log into your Overjet AI. Go ahead and search for Overjet AI login and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this login portal of Overjet AI where you can write down your email address, your password, click login, and then you can successfully log into your Overjet AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.